Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, and a good evening to you. Based on the period of time you are watching this video or you are following up in my class, I am eSmart. I'm the CEO of eSmart Academy, Exam Smart Academy. And today I'll be starting with the introduction to physics. So meanwhile, I'm going to start from the unknown to the known. Are you getting me now? I'm also promising you that I'm going to finish the syllabus of JAMB 2026 that I have already drafted out and organized for my registered students. But this video is for everybody, both the registered and the unregistered. Then the classes is mainly for the registered students. But today, for these few videos I'll be dropping, for the first or second or third videos I'll be dropping, it will only be for free. It will only be free videos. So after such, then we continue with our registration. But I will as well be dropping videos here. So if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, do well, I repeat, do well to subscribe, okay? So that you'll be able to get information on whenever I upload my new videos. Let us hit the point without wasting much of our time. Introduction to physics. What can we say about physics? Is there any suggestion? Can you think? All right. Physics is Physics is just your brother. Yeah, it's just a simple, like, it's a branch of science on its own. It's a branch of science that deals with the study of matter, energy, and their interactions. Physics is a branch of science that deals with the study of matter, energy, and their interactions. This is not only what physics deals with. Physics also deals with electricity. It also deals with emotion and some other things. But we dropped out these three things because it covers other areas. Now, when you talk about science, to start with, this science to me is an organized, the way I'm putting it. I don't know how your school will teach you, but this is the way I understood what science is. And science is an organized field, or is an organized body of study or field of study that is obtained through observation, testing of facts, ideas, in order to improve human knowledge. In order to what? Improve human knowledge. What are we improving? You know that without science, many people nowadays start telling me that science is not the ultimate. But my dear, science happens to be the ultimate. I'm not saying that art is not necessary. Art is also necessary, but science is the word is science. Yeah, to be frank, the word is science. Even arts courses are also science. So that is to tell you the fact that science governs. So when you talk about science, or when we talk about the field, this field of study is obtained. How do you obtain this study? Through observation. As a scientist, you must observe. Are you getting me now? You must do what? Observe. You must observe things in order to get a full knowledge of it. Then after observing, you have to test. Testing of facts. You have to test, okay? So after testing, you have to bring out your own ideas. Bringing out of ideas, different ideas, in order to improve what? Human knowledge. Human what? Knowledge. We all know what matter is. Matter is just anything that has mass and volume. In secondary school, we can say that it is anything that has space, mass and occupies space. Something of, yeah, anything that has weight and occupies space, right? So, but I'm bringing it out to tell you that it can also be defined as anything that has mass and what? Volume. Are you there? So when you talk about energy, Energy is just the ability to do what works. To do works, the ability, the capacity you have in you. Are you getting me now? The capacity you have to do what works. Now, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe. You will see a subscription there. You are not going to pay for it. It's free. Then after subscribing, click on the notification button so that whenever I release video, you'll be the first person that will see it. Are you getting me now? Now, importance of importance of physics. One, it helps to understand natural laws. Are you getting me? It helps to do what? Understand natural laws. So, but before then, I was as well tell you something. Exam Smart Academy, we as a body, we are helping students, most especially the JAMB students that will be taking their JAMB. We are helping them. So I have my colleagues, students, lecturers as well, that are as well helping. I don't only teach, I teach only physics, but it's not as if I cannot teach other courses. But I personally took physics as a course to teach. So now this physics I will be teaching will help students. So my other colleagues will also be dropping their videos here on my YouTube channel, being Exam Smart Academy. So they will be dropping their videos. So whenever they drop their videos, you as well watch it. We are one. We are just one. Okay. Chemistry we drop. Mathematics can also drop based on. So, but I alone will be taking physics. All right. Let us continue. So the importance of physics. One, it helps to understand what natural laws. It helps to understand what natural laws, gravity, the natural laws like gravity, motion, heat, and electricity. Two, it is the foundation of what engineering. Whether you are doing whether you are doing civil engineering, chemical engineering, mechanical engineering, I want to boldly tell you that physics is the father of all engineering. So it is the foundation of engineering courses. Another thing that we are going to look into is branches of what physics. Now, this is very very relevant for JAMB. It is very very relevant. So JAMB may ask you what are the branches of physics, or they can put it this way. Well, I'll still ask you questions based on that. Now we have what we call mechanics. What is mechanics? To my own understanding, mechanics is just the study of motion, force, and what energy. Are you there? Then we talk about thermal physics. Thermal what? Physics. Something that deals with heat and temperature. So when you talk about mechanics, let me go back. Mechanics study what? Motion, force, and energy. Are you getting me? Motion, force, and what? Energy. I've defined what energy is, but as time goes on, I'll soon also define what motion and force is. Then we talk about wave. There you can find sound waves and light as well. Then we also talk about another branch of physics is what? Electricity and magnetism. So as time goes on, you get to understand this thing. Another branch is modern physics, where you talk about what? Atomic and nuclear what? Physics. So these are the branches of what? Physics. Now, physics in everyday life is also very very relevant. JAMB may ask you this question. One, turning on a fan belongs to which physics? Turning on a fan is electricity. Cooking with gas is what? Heat. Using glasses is what? Optics. So these are our everyday experiences, our everyday endeavors that we always experience and observe. Another one is riding a motorcycle, which is what? Motion. The question I may ask now is, which branch of physics deals with the motion of bodies? Can anybody answer me that question without looking on my... I know that you have seen it already. So which branch of physics deals with the motion of bodies? The answer is what? Mechanics. So the branch of physics that deals with motion, remember, we say that study of motion is what? Mechanics. Are you seeing it now? So that is to say that the branch of physics that deals with the motion of bodies is called what? mechanism. Now, units and measurements. Now, we'll be looking into another very important topic to be precise. Yeah. Now we talk about, when you talk about units and measurements, you can't talk about units and measurements without including physical quantities. Are you there? Physical quantities. Now when you talk about physical quantities, things that you can measure, anything that you can measure is what? Physical quantity. Example: length, mass, time, temperature, and speed. Are you getting me? So physical quantities, a physical quantity is anything that can be measured. Simple. Example, e.g., length, mass, time, temperature, and what? Speed. So these are the um examples of what? Physical quantities.